Hello friends. So today we have another problem based on array topic. So let's see what is the meaning of this question. Calculate the sum of all the element in the given array. So what is this question want to say? It's saying that calculate the sum of all the elements in the given array. So here's given any array. Suppose there's a few elements stored in the array 5, 10, 20, 11. Okay. So we have to calculate the sum of these elements which is stored into the array. So how we would calculate the sum of this? So like this, 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 11. Okay, it means we are traversing one by one and then adding the element into the sum. Like we have traversed at index 1, then after 2, then after we have at 2, then after 3, and as well so on. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. There's a class named as sum, which is a public class and has static void main. Okay, then after we have declared as well as initialized the array. We have stored some elements like 2, 4, 9, 10, 11 and 14. Okay, and in previous videos I have described that if you want to know the length or number of elements into any array, you have just need to write the name of array, then dot, then after you have to write length, and it will give you the number of element in that array. And if you want to store it, you can use any variable to store it. Okay, because it's a sum. Before this, what was the sum? It was nothing. It is like this no any sum or this no any terminology. Okay, so simply I have initialized and declared and initialized the array sum equal to 0. Then I have applied the loop from 0 to n less than n, because it will reflect you or it will give you 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we know that indexing in array always starts from 0. So we have to go at one step back by the actual length of array. Okay, that's why we have written here I is less than n. Okay, then after we have added elements of array one by one, like there is sum and we are adding element 1 in sum. 0 plus 2 would be 2. Then after I will be increase, we can say that it would be increment in I, and again loop will run, and after that array sum would be 2. Okay, and here will be element number 2. So what was here array sum? It was 2. I mean the previous summation of element 2. Then after we have to add plus equal to element number 2, it means 4. And here is I have written plus equal. Rather than using plus equal, you can use array equal to previous array plus next element. So we can also write like array sum equal to array sum plus array of I. So rather than writing this thing, I have simply written the thing like this, and I. Okay, when the loop will end, okay, then what would be sum of the element of the array? That would be anything that we have added or that we have find after adding all the elements of array. So after breaking the loop, we simply printing the sum of array. We have write as out system.out.println, which is using to print the output or anything you want to print. You have to write this statement system.out.println or print. So we have write sum of array is, and this thing we have enclosed it with double quotation. Okay, and then after this I have added, it means plus array sum. And what is the array sum here? Array sum here is the summation of each elements in the given array. Okay, so that's all about this problem. We will meet in next problem. So thank you so much for this.